Hi, it's Dennis. It's Friday, June 19th. Just want to tell you a story about a bird Kullike found, and we were in Calgary a couple weeks ago visiting family out there. And this bird had fallen out of the tree or whatever, or they pushed out of the nest, we don't know. And no one wanted to look after the crow out there. So Kullike decided to bring him home. So she's had this crow here at home for 2 weeks now. And she's been feeding him and looking after him, and he's been getting bigger, and he's acting really good, other than he's not flying yet. And she named him Peach. His name is Peach. So she feeds him. I'll show you how she feeds him.
Peach.
Hi, Peach. Hello, Peach.
Peach.
Like I said, the bird is doing really well. Just not flying yet, but getting stronger.
Yeah, he barely had any feathers on when we found him. And he wasn't walking, he wasn't even standing up, so it was quite obvious that she had, or he, I don't know, had fallen out of nest. Overnight we keep him in this cage.
In the cage at night.
We bring him in the house for night, and daytime he has been sitting in this cage on top of the doghouse. But
So, yeah.
I guess from today on we start taking him out.
So we'll show you a update
Around.
as the time goes. So there's Peach.
Yeah, his name is Peach, and he responds to it. So once you say Peach, then he's usually opening his teeth. Peach. He knows he's Peach. And he's very peachy. Peach. Peach. Good bird. It's a good bird. Huh? No more? No? Okay.
Okay, Peach. We'll see you later.